let's do the.
Shore this up.
Let's do it.
Tighten it up.
Actually, we might be able to slide underneath there if you want
do
to
that
pick
too.
some stuff up. Juan, can you grab the Subaru mat?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, like a glove.
Okay.
And we can even tuck them back.
Oh, back. Tuck those cables back.
Yeah, behind there.
All right. We'll get to that here in a minute.
Because I don't know if we want to hard mount it yet.
Right. That's what I'm saying. The only thing I was actually, I'm kind of wondering if we get most of it in there.
Yeah.
I can kind of set this up a little bit so I can at least get the wiring hooked onto it. Because we're going to trim this down a little bit. Yeah, I can still function with it.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
It'll be a little tight, but I can do it.
And then, not bad. I'm digging this. Digging this big time. Is that gonna fit though? Uh-oh. Oh no. Is it gonna fit? Is it not gonna fit? We're gonna have to go underneath.
There's a little bit of slack over here.
Is it?
Can you get it?
Ooh.
How's that?
Yes. Thank you, Juan. What about the? Yep. Okay, we're good. We're good. I knew I measured that right. I was like, come on.
So I'm gonna cut that.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, I'll probably cut the wiring off on this side because you got it nice and tucked there. I'll just cut it here and pull it, reset that, and then I can run that wire wrap.
I wonder if
and
we should
secure these
shorten
down.
this.
You could if you wanted to.
We have to redo that
well, you got-
connection.
you got
I do have
another
one
one.
more. Yeah. Okay.
So
Cool.
I
Let's do that. And then here's the other thing. This is why these guys came and measured twice, because I wanted to utilize this as well.
First measurement I took was that.
Security.
Now
Can't steal what you can't see.
you can't steal it.
Steel system still.
Look at that.
There you go. I like it.
I like it too. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Release position how you want them.
Yeah, I figure we do. Unless you want to do something cool like this.
No, I didn't care. I don't
You want
know.
to do something cool like this? You just want to do this? Just like normal?
Yeah, that's fine. I wasn't sure if.
Or do you want to
You
go other
turn a
way
certain
so you
way
could
for
turn them?
wiring.
No, turn like that. You want to do it straight? What do you think?
I would say straight. No, looks right.
Okay, let me get some screws for you.
Never ridden a tandem.
Hey, this thing's kind of tall.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna biff it so hard, Juan.
No, I got faith in it.
Where are we going?
It's just right.
Okay. Oh my God! You're zigging and I'm zagging. The seat's moving. Juan, my seat's moving. I feel like Laverne and Shirley. Oh my God. Okay. No. For the love of God. This is horrifying. Juan, where are we going?
We're getting the hang of it. All right. We're gonna go right.
Okay.
And then make a left turn. There we go. Yeah. There we go.
Ah,
There we go.
my seat keeps turning.
All right.
Oh,
We'll stop and I'll ride in the back. There we go.
oh my
Ready?
God.
Oh God, there's so much more turn in the back.
Juan.
Can't see. Okay.
Okay.
All
All right, turn right. All right, see, we got this.
yeah.
We got this. We're good.
We're good.
We're good.
There's so much more terrifying in the back.
I told you. It's scary.
Okay.
All right, so we're I'm gonna slow down. Oh, the brakes are non-existent.
Yeah.
Hang on, we're gonna turn right. Oh my God.
We got pedal. There we go.
Okay, so now we're gonna go right.
Right.
Bump.
Bump. Hey.
All right, let's go check in on everybody.
All right, let's check in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God.
Okay, we're good.
Is that the one that was acting funny on me? There was one that was acting funny on me.
Probably that one because when I got in there, I went to tighten it down, and the clamp was on the outside.
Yeah, here, let me try that.
So now we want to cut this.
It's been too much.
You want to cut the ground wire down a little more too?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Or you can tuck that thing back in
We
there.
could tuck it, but you want the ground shorter, don't you, normally?
Hurt anything. I would say probably cut a good length off actually.
Yeah, let's do that. So here?
Yep. So we can get away. Sorry, I took those off.
No, you're good. I just want to make sure I keep them in the right spot.
The blue wire, the power wire.
We cut it off. Cut off right there.
Let me get a. Oh, you got that one. Okay.
I didn't know this until I got to the town. I was going to fingerprint. I wrote it, bend it, rest it, bend it here. that's new.
There's
The armor
three.
confirmed there was no
So he's redoing the ground. The orange one is the ground.
Yeah.
And the little orange one is a signal wire. That's
That one
hooked
scene
up to
from
the
X-Men where the dude
unit.
shoved his face
And the big thick blue wire is the power wire. That's the one that goes to the batteries.
Does it all have to originate with the battery or no?
No, just the power wire. The ground wire is actually right down below there.
Yeah, the ground wire now. Same old, same old. At least we got a nice weather for a few days.
steering wheel has, except when you hit a tree, you kind of just snaps one way. You just go in and it says a different. I had one car, and he's in like a car that
Cool. Do you want to put a zip tie around it where it splits just to hold it in place?
Those clamps I'm gonna bolt in. Actually, on the back one, yeah, we could.
Yeah.
Scissors at that bay right there, right behind Tim.
I'm almost thinking,
Another zip tie right around there, and then I'm gonna start clamping.
Electrical tape?
does the clamps permanent?
No, they screw on.
Well,
Screw into that.
so I'm wondering if someone wants to move the box out, they're gonna have to undo the clamps.
So just zip tie the wires together and leave them?
Can do that too.